Welcome to AS Structures. In this video, I'll guide you through the column design process using the program. First, open and log in to AS Structures. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu and select Column Design to begin. Next, open the Frame Analysis on 𝗖𝗑𝗏𝗏𝗏 model to extract the necessary force data for column design. Select the column you want to design, then go to Display, Show Tables. In the Table display, navigate to Analysis Result, Element Output, Frame Output, Element Forces on Columns. Ensure that all load combinations are selected, then click OK. Finally, click on the upper left box of the table to select all data and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Back in the AS Structures program, navigate to the Insert Reaction tab, then click Paste to inject the column forces copied from the 𝗖𝗑𝗏𝗏𝗏 model. Now let's proceed with the design by starting with a 250 by 250 millimeter column as an initial guess. As you can see, numerous load cases fail for this column. So let's try 300 by 300 millimeters instead. This time, all load combinations fall within the failure envelope, meaning the design is safe. Next, design the column ties. Notice how the drawing dynamically updates as the tie spacing changes. You can also adjust the number of tie legs for customization. Additionally, the program allows you to navigate and rotate the 3D figure for better visualization. Another feature of AS Structures is its ability to generate a report analysis for critical loads with visual diagram models. First, navigate to the Member Force Diagram tab in 𝗖𝗑𝗏𝗏𝗏. Select Axial Force and take a screenshot using Windows plus Shift+S. Next, return to AS Structures, go to the Insert Diagram tab, and select Paste to insert the image. Repeat the same process for Shear 3-3 and Moment 2-2 to complete the visual representation of the analysis. On AS Structures, you have the ability to view print previews for both critical loads and the designed column member. This feature allows you to review the analysis results and design details before generating the final report. You can inspect the load combinations, column dimensions, reinforcement details, and interaction diagrams to ensure accuracy. An ultimate feature of AS Structures is its ability to generate a column interaction diagram for any column size and various rebar configurations. This allows you to visualize the strength capacity of the column under different loading conditions. Additionally, you can design multiple column members within a single project and seamlessly navigate through them, making the design process more efficient and organized. And lastly, you can export the analysis and design report to PDF format, ensuring a professional and well-documented output. This feature allows you to generate detailed reports with all critical calculations, diagrams, and design summaries, making it easy to share and review project data. With just a few clicks, you can create a structured report that meets engineering documentation standards, providing a clear and organized reference for design approvals and future assessments. Thank you for watching this tutorial on AS Structures column design. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to efficiently analyze and design columns using our program.